So let's play a game. We're gonna play a game called Sneak Dissing or Nah. And the way this game is gonna go, I'm gonna drop a question or a scenario. I'm gonna act it out, talk it out. And you're gonna tell me whether it's a sneak diss or not. And then we're gonna alternate and you're gonna do the same for me. We're gonna ping pong.
Okay.
Sneak diss or nah. You wanna go first? Or do you want me to go first?
You can go first.
Okay. So, my first example. Wait, let me see. I gotta get what? I used the car already. We said the wait thing already. Mm-hmm. Oh, I love your glasses. They're so nice. They look good on your face. And they're not as thick as the other pair that you had. Is that a sneak diss or no?
That is definitely a sneak diss.
Why?
Because why did you need to bring up that they're not as thick as the other pair? What was the point of the thick comment?
They're not.
No. It's a sneak
The
diss.
other ones look like you could see into the future.
See?
This
You're
one,
getting worse.
what?
It's
I'm
getting...
explaining myself.
No. You're sneak.
They look really nice on you.
That's the compliment. But then what comes after that?
What? They're not as thick as the other?
Yeah.
Those don't look like they'll burn things in the sun. Like the other ones look like if you like just looked at an ant on a sunny day, you just fry it.
That's the subliminal.
Is it?
Yes.
I thought it was factual. But
no, it's not factual.
I mean, they're really nice glasses though. Where'd you get them?
So then you bring it back to the compliment.
Yeah, because you gotta disguise it. That's the sneak. You gotta be complimentary, but throw the shade and the sarcasm. It's a sneak diss.
Okay, I caught that.
You did?
I caught that it was a sneak diss.